How to connect Shopify with Amazon. So if you want to connect Shopify with Amazon, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. So the first thing you need to do is you need to have a Shopify account and Amazon Associates account. So to set up your Amazon Seller Central account, you just need to simply go with the Amazon and you need to create your professional seller account or the Associates account. So if you haven't already signed up for an Amazon professional seller account, this is the crucial for the connection or the integration process. And after creating your account, now the second step is to add Amazon sales channel to Spotify. Head over to the Spotify admin panel and then click on the plus next to the sales channel. And you need to select the Amazon option. After that, follow the prompts to connect your Amazon Seller Central account to Shopify. And once you've linked your account, like your Shopify and your Amazon account, then you need to set up your preferences for inventory sync, order fulfillment, and pricing. And after that, you need to match your Spotify products to existing Amazon listings and create new ones. So that's the step-by-step guide to connect your Shopify with your Amazon. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.